Hello kids, today we are going to start unit 3 of EVS. In this unit we are going to read about the food habits of different animals. All living beings need food to be alive and to get energy. So all living things eat food and have different food habits, means they are eating different types of food. So based on their food habits there are three types of animals. There are three basic types of animal. The first type is herbivores. Herbivores are animals that feed only on plants for food, means they are plant eating animals. They eat only plants. Their food include leaves, grass, flowers, fruits, seeds and roots. Examples of herbivores are giraffe, zebra, deer, cow. Now next type is carnivores. Carnivores are animals that get their food by hunting and eating other animals. Means carnivores are flesh eating animals. They eat the flesh of other animals. Examples are tiger, carnivorous animals. Example tiger, crocodile, lion. Now the third type is omnivores. Omnivores are animals that can eat both plants and animals. Means they can eat both plant and animals. Even we humans are omnivores. Examples of omnivores are pigs, hens, bear. Now apart from this there are other types of organisms which help us maintaining balance in nature. They are scavengers. Scavengers are organisms that feed on dead animals and plant material available in their habitat. Example crow, vulture, hyenas. Next type is decomposer. Decomposers. Decomposers are small organisms that eat dead and decaying waste material and help to break it down into simpler form so that producer can use it to make food. Examples of decomposers are earthworm, snail, beetle. Take out your science textbook SR1. Open page number 33. I am going to read this chapter. You have to put your finger where I am reading. So, food habits. We all know that our body needs energy to be alive and to do activities. We get this energy from the food that we eat. If we don't eat food, we become weak and tired. We can even fall sick. All living beings eat food and have different food habits. Based on their food habits, there are three types of animals. So based on the food habits, the animals are classified into three types. First one is herbivores. Herbivores. Herbivores are animals that feed on plants for food. Their food includes leaves, grass, flowers, fruit, seeds and roots. Some herbivorous animals are deer, zebras, cows, sheep, horses, rabbit, elephant and giraffe. So herbivores are plant eating animals. These are the examples of herbivores: deer, zebra, giraffe. Now next one is carnivores. Carnivores are animals that get their food by hunting and eating other animals. Some carnivorous animals are foxes, wolf, lions, shark, tiger, spiders, crocodile, eagles, cats, frogs and snakes. So carnivores are flesh eating animal. They are going to eat the flesh of other animal. Examples are lion, tiger, crocodile. Third one is omnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores are animals that can eat both plants and animals. Some omnivorous animals are human beings, mice, bear, pigs and hens. So these are omnivorous animals. They can eat both plants and animals. bear, hens, pigs, we humans also. Turn your page. In addition to the three basic types of food habits, there are two more types of organisms which help us maintaining balance in nature. This is scavengers. Scavengers are organisms that feed on dead animals and plant materials available in their habitat. Examples of scavengers are vultures, rats, ants, cockroaches, hyenas, jackals. So these are scavengers. Vulture, crow, hyenas, they feed on dead animals and plant material. Next one is decomposers. Decomposers are small organisms that eat dead and decaying waste materials and help to break it down into simpler form so that it can be used by the producer to make food. Examples of decomposers are earthworm, insects, snails, dung, beetles, crabs, flies, worms, etc. So these are decomposers. They are small organisms and eat dead and decaying waste materials. Now open your workbook. This is your workbook. Open page number 34. Worksheet 1. Worksheet 1. Now the first question is, classify the following living organisms as herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So you have to classify these animals and write in the columns. First one is horse. Horse is plant eating animal. So write in this here in herbivores column HORSE, horse. Next one is shark. Shark is carnivore, so you write here shark, SHARK, shark. Next one frog. Frog is again carnivore. You write in here frog in carnivores column. Write FROG, frog. Next is snake. Snake is again carnivores, so you write here in this column only snake, SNAKE, snake. Next one is cow. Cow is grass eating animal, so write here in herbivores column cow, COW, cow. Next one human. Humans are omnivores, so you write in omnivores column humans, HUMAN, human. Next is elephant. Elephant is grass eating animal, so you write here in herbivores column elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Next is lion. Lion again it is flesh eating animal, so write in carnivores column lion, LION, lion. Next one bear. Bear is omnivore, so you write here in omnivore column BEAR, bear. Next one is dog. Dog is also an omnivore, so write here DOG, dog. Now next one wolf. Wolf is carnivore, so you write here carnivore. You write here wolf. You write here wolf, WOLF, wolf. Next one is eagle. Eagle is what? It is carnivore, so you write here eagle in carnivores column, EAGLE, eagle. Next one deer. Deer is plant eating animal, so you write here in herbivores column deer, DEER, deer. Next one sheep. Again it is grass eating animal, you write here in carnivores column, herbivores column sheep, SEE, sheep. Next one is monkey. Monkey is omnivore, so you write in omnivore column, MONKEY, K-E-Y, monkey. Right here. Next one is goat. Goat is grass-eating animal. So write in herbivore column G-O-A-T, goat. Next one is mouse. Mouse is a omnivore. So you write here in this column, omnivore column, mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. Next one is rabbit. Rabbit again grass-eating animal. Right here, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Next one is last one, crocodile. It is carnivore. So you write here in carnivores column, crocodile. Now see the second question. Classify the organisms in the box below and put them into the correct circles. So they have given different circles: herbivores, scavengers, decomposers, carnivores, omnivores. You have to write the name of these animals in their correct circles. You have to put in correct circle. First one is duck. Duck is, it is what? Duck is omnivore. So you write here omnivore circle, duck. Next one is worm. Worm is decomposer. You write in decomposer column, W-O-R-M, worm. Next one, wolf. Wolf is carnivore. So you write in carnivores column, wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf. Next one is crab. Crab is decomposer. So you write here in decomposer circle, crab, C-R-A-B, crab. Next one, deer. Deer is herbivore. So write here herbivores animals circle, deer. Now cat. Cat, it is carnivores. So we write cat here, C-A-T, cat. Next one, frog. Frog is also carnivore. So you write it carnivore circle, frog, F-R-O-G, frog. Next one is insects. Insects again, it is decomposer. So write here insects. Next one is hen. Hen is omnivores. You write here in omnivore circle, hen, H-E-N, hen. Then chicken also omnivore. You write here chicken. In omnivore circle you write chicken, C-K-E-N, chicken. Then crow. Crow, it is scavengers. You write in scavenger circle, crow. Then earthworm. Earthworm is decomposer. Earthworm is decomposer. So you write here earthworm, E-A-R-T-H-W-O-R-M, earthworm. Now next, this one cancel. They have given crow 2 times. So next one is snail. Snail is decomposer. You write snail here. In decomposer column you write snail. Here decomposer column you write snail. Next one is bear. Bear is omnivore. So in omnivore circle you write bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Next is hyena. Hyena is also a scavenger. So you write here hyena, H-Y-E-N-A, scavengers. This is hyena. Ant is decomposer. So you write in decomposer column, A-N-T, ant. Next one is dung beetle. This is also decomposer. So write here in decomposer column, D-U-N-G, dung beetle, B-E-E-T-L-E, dung beetle. Next one, rabbit. Rabbit is herbivore. So write here rabbit. Next one, elephant. Elephant is also grass-eating animal. So write in here in herbivore circle, elephant. Now next one, jackal. Jackal is carnivore. So write here jackal, J-A-C-K-A-L. Oh, sorry children, this is jackal is not a carnivorous. Actually this is scavenger. Jackal is scavenger. So write here in scavenger column jackal. You write here jackal. Sorry. Now last one is rat. Rat is what? It is again omnivores. So write here rat, R-A-T, rat. So we have finished two questions, question number 1 and question number 2 from exercise. Sorry, this is worksheet 1. We have finished worksheet 1, question number 1 and question number 2. For today, this much only. Thank you.